More than 90% of the channel's viewers have not subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel so that we have more motivation to make better videos. We really need this. Thanks a lot. In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the color of mobile photos in a professional way. It is very simple and easy. If you want to test this tutorial, you can download image from description links. We didn't use any plugins. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. In the first step, it is better to crop the photo to find a better angle and have a better frame for our photo. Select the crop tool and take the photo from the corners and drag. Try to crop so that the lines in the photo are smooth and straight. To confirm the crop, just double-click on the photo. Now we can rotate it from the corners of the photo. And once we crop our frame so that the lower parts of the subject's legs are not clear in the photo. Now, from the top menu, click on the image option and click on the adjustment option and select brightness contrast. We increase the contrast of the image. And we lower the brightness a little, to make the shadows in our image more visible. Is it good? Now click OK. Now, again, we enter the images option from the top menu and click on the adjustment option and select color balance. We move the first slider to the left so that the red rank of the photo decreases and becomes more blue and green. Move the second slider a little to the right to increase the green color of the photo. And finally, move the last slider a little to the left to add a little yellow color to the image. Click OK. Again, we increase the contrast of the photo and lower the brightness again. Click OK. Now we press the Control button and J together to make a copy of the last layer and a new layer. This time, from the top menu, we will enter the images option and click on the adjustment option and select hue/saturation. It is enough to lower the saturation so that the colors of our photo are reduced. Select the eraser tool and right-click on the screen to open the eraser size options. We set the size of the brush to the size of the subject's face in the photo and set the hardness to 0. Click on mask icon in layer options. Now left-click on the photo and delete parts of the face and hands. This will make the color of the face and hands visible from the layer below, and the other parts of the photo will be visible from the last layer, which is lighter. In the meantime, you can guide us in the comment section on what tutorials to make. Thanks for watching and subscribe Digigraphic channel. In next tutorial you learn how to make lens flares in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.